La Vie, the fifth installment, hosted by the Vie Promotions team. Bahamas Carnival 2025 season theme, Welcome to Paradise, was a massive success. Success, not one that we would have thought coming out of the gate. It is 2025 season, but nonetheless, through a lot of hard work, dedication, and just non-stop commitment by its team, we were able to pull it off. One of the main issues with Bahamas Carnival is the lack of organization. And it's not organization from everyone, but from the actual committee that manages the bands. And I think one of the main reasons we was able to succeed this year was from something that actually started in the 2024 season, when a group of us promoters kind of just decided to take our own lead and take our own direction and to protect ourselves. So internally, we had an unofficial promoters association, and we decided to chart our own path forward because we couldn't depend on anyone else because they was keeping us in the dark. We wasn't at the table when decisions were being made. And that blossomed into what we have now in this 2025 season, which I am proud to say I am a part of. We now have an official promoters association, and we dictate what benefits us. So aside from the band leaders and what's going on at Bahamas Carnival, we decide what's best for us. And that is, I have to commend as one of the main reasons we was able to succeed this year. Overall, not just La Vie, but all events. Because it doesn't just help La Vie being successful, doesn't help the Bahamas Carnival product. Everyone succeeding helps the Bahamas Carnival.